Hello everyone. Today I will show you a very important setting that I would have enabled when I bought the smartphone, and it concerns freeing up your memory, the internal memory on your smartphone. Now I will tell you everything and show you. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel and share with friends. So, I think that everyone has been in this situation, that there is not enough memory, that a message appears that you need to delete something from the device, but you do not want to delete anything. So, in reality, you have installed different applications, downloaded something, some music, some videos, filmed something, and you absolutely do not want to delete anything, but at the same time you need memory. Now I will show you a well-hidden setting that will help you in this situation. And it is in the Google Play Market, through which you download games and applications. Look, go to Google Play, here we click on our avatar or account and here we scroll, we find the usual standard settings. Click. Now look, click on the general section, scroll down and find this setting, which is called automatically archive the application when there is not enough space on the phone. That is, for example, your application on the smartphone took up 500 megabytes, well, and it will become 300 to 200 megabytes depending on how much you can archive. That is, in any case, the system will independently determine those applications that you rarely use and archive them. At the same time, you will free up memory, and at the same time, all your applications will remain working. This is a very good setting, which I personally do on each smartphone just in case, so that when this lack of memory happens, you do not grab your head, what to do. So,